You kept me waiting at an empty door, thinking I'd always come back for more. Every goodbye became easier to say, until my heart found another way. You thought my silence meant I'd stay, that love could bend and never break. But every tear you never saw was another piece you slowly lost. Love doesn't leave in a single night, it fades with every endless fight. One day you'll reach for my hand again, but I won't be the man you've known. Don't let your man learn how to live without you, 'cause once he does, there's nothing left to hold on to. When the lonely nights stop hurting like they used to, he'll build a world where he no longer needs you. The man who waited, the man who prayed, the one who fought through every storm you made, will disappear with every scar he earned. Some hearts forgive, but they never return. But they never return. Oh, now your message lights my phone, but it feels like someone I don't know. The words you say for yesterday can't rewrite the pages that blew away. I've learned to smile without your name, to breathe without the burning pain. You miss the man who gave you everything, but he was buried beneath your leaving. Healing isn't loud, it's quiet like the rain. One morning you wake up and love no longer feels the same. You don't stop caring, you simply stop chasing, and peace becomes the home that heartbreak couldn't take away. Don't let your man become a stranger to your love. He won't keep waiting forever just because. Once his heart finally finds its way to peace, the version that loved you quietly leaves. You remember his eyes, you remember his touch. You wish you had noticed when he still cared that much. But time never rewinds, and hearts don't always mend. Sometimes the saddest goodbye is the one you never meant. So hold him while he's still reaching, love him while he's still near, because the hardest person to find is the one who finally learned to live without you.